Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm filming 3 videos in one. And with that being said, you're no stranger to my long curly hair. This is their Brazilian curly. I'll leave the video in the description bar and link it at the end of the video of how the hair came packaged. It came really nicely packaged, and I'll also leave another link to the video that showed me adhering the wig to my head. It is a full it is a lace, it's like a lace frontal wig. My head is really small, but I adjusted it to fit to my head, to fit snug to my head, and also with me adhering it to my head, it really it's like it's staying put. It doesn't feel like it's slipping to go anywhere anytime soon. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair. I didn't wet it or anything, and I was going to wet it, but I didn't want to. I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out the pack. You've been seeing it straight out the pack. Can you imagine now what this up, how tight these curls are going to be? I am in love with this curl pattern. You guys know how I feel about curly hair and like deep wave hair, so you guys know I love this curl pattern. But this length, and it's so light on my head, it's not heavy whatsoever. It's like hella light. This can definitely be worn for this temperature, because I don't know if y'all are in Jamaica, but it is hot. Okay, it's hot, so this can definitely be worn, because I have the fan on Jalil and it's like kind of touching me, but I don't have it like directly on me, and I'm not sweating. You see this? I'm not sweating loud. Well, not sweating how I usually sweat, but you know, me just like glisten. I'm not really sweat. Me glisten, me shine. But yeah, it says a lace frontal. It came with a middle part. The middle part, I'll leave the video in the description, but it came with the middle part though. It came parted in the middle, and this is what it's looking like. I love it. I love it so much. The length is 14 inches. Natural curl pattern. And I didn't stick the combs in my head. I just like slip it on. Right? So I love it. I'm completely in love. Right, so disclaimer, Jonathan is not feeling well and I'm watching Jalil as he's sleeping. Okay, so I need to make a disclaimer, because my children, like, they're a part of my life now. Like, Jonathan comes in and out and stuff because he loves to be with Jalil, so he comes in and out. But because he's sick, I can't make him touch him or nothing. He's sneezing a lot, his nose is running, so he wants to come in. I can't let him come in. It's a whole thing. But yeah, so these are things that you do not say to pregnant women or newly pregnant women or new mothers, right? And there's one comment that keeps on recurring, and I'm going to tell you guys what that comment is. But so, and it's the first one. It said, "Your baby fat not gone yet." And again, this is a theme. So when is the baby due? Still fat. How is so fat? Still pregnant? You look fatty? Yeah, go and blow your nose again. His nose still wants to blow. Again, wait. I'm not a mother. And no, this shit ain't cool. Oh yeah, she said she's not a mother, but she knows that that's not cool. Again, wait. You're not lose the baby weight yet. Like, every single one of the comments was about weight. Most of them is about weight. So somebody said, come and say, the baby's your husband's, right? I've never faced that. But if somebody, I mean, I understand if, you know, like the person has like a tumultuous marriage, relationship or whatever. But again, it's a classic case. Hold back your head. It's a classic case of if you don't have anything to say, just lock him out, because that's none of your concern over them. The child belongs to the father, if only if it's like he's a friend. I say, someone tell the truth. A German, you know. But if you don't know me from like Adams, it's extremely inappropriate. So somebody said that people say, don't breastfeed a baby, your breast is going to get long. Well, my titties were long before Jalil, so they've been lengthy since Jonathan. Yeah, I didn't know. Some other ones say they still look pregnant. Why haven't lost the baby weight yet? Or Jamaica said, yeah, so come baba. We said, Lord, them clean, especially in cases where the child come early. That's offensive. Yeah, it really is. Because Jalil was born small, 4 pounds, and people kept on telling me he's a preemie, he's a preemie, he's a preemie. And I'm like, no, he's not. He was born full term, 37 weeks and 2 days. He was born full term. Full term. After 37 weeks, in Jamaica anyway, I don't know about anywhere else, the child is considered full term. And if the baby comes now, like, he's fine. He's not preemie. And he's not him just born a little bit. And the reason why he came so quickly is because I had the edema that sold me up. So, and that caused a preeclampsia. And then when I was there, I had the placenta had detached. So, whatever. Never say when's the next one. Oh yeah, so when is the next one? You need to lose weight. Or watch your baby clothes yet? That's interesting. Watch your baby clothes yet? I've never heard that one. When you're gonna lose weight, oh my god. You still look, I have a baby in there. You're still fat. Oh my gosh. When are you gonna get the next one? You still look fat. C-section again? Or your belly still big? You go back for one more right away. Oh my god. Wow. Again, you're pregnant again. So somebody said never say, but you still have baby, you still got the baby fat. She's like, she knows, don't rub it in. That's what you're coming to. She knows, don't rub it in. And it's just, oh my gosh, you look fat, you still look pregnant. What up the baby head? Oh my god, I can't. It's like it going pop off and drop off the floor. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, one is the baby shouldn't be out that early. First of all, if that's the case, then he'll have probably stayed in there. Because when he comes out, he's out early. Yes? Right. When I have to take him to the doctor, he's out early. Right? Yeah? But no, that's not how they see it. That's not how they see it. So the baby never come out early. So you never gonna know it how they're just stay in the house. Nah, bro. I mean, he's not a sickly child, so I won't do that. I can understand if a child, you know, sick or whatever, but Johnny isn't, so I'm not going to. Why put on so much weight? You don't look like you know. You don't look like you know what you're doing. Wow. Somebody say you look ready again. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Or so when they get pregnant again, like what? No. No. That's crazy. Again, you still have on the baby weight, man. Your belly still big. How much months are you? I just gave birth 2 months ago. Oh wow, people are so insensitive. When are you going to have the next baby? The baby look little. You're not feeding him. You probably shouldn't wear certain clothes that not fit your body type yet. You should try breastfeeding so you can lose the belly. You're fatty, man. Oh my god. Like everything is so on point and true and real. It's redonkulous how accurate these are. These are hella accurate. Your belly big. Why your belly so big? How far are you? That's when I don't have baby already. Sometimes we make people on Instagram social media fool me. So aww. Oh, she said sometimes we make people on Instagram fool me, so I kill yourself to get flat belly. You still look pregnant, you look tired, why your belly still so big? Your belly still big. Oh my, can't wait for this. This is, yeah, Then White. Your belly still big though, or no, you can't wait for that snatch or snapback, whichever one it is. I don't know if this was a compliment, but this one doesn't annoy me as much as it scares me, because I feel like I'm no longer doing this for myself, like I'm doing this for other people and other people's timeline, and that's going to annoy me, because believe it or not, you know, if I don't lose it within a certain time frame that I would typically lose it in, it's going to be, oh, you're not doing something right, you're not eating right, are you breastfeeding, and all those unsolicited information, suggestions, opinions are going to be thrown my way. I know I'm prepared. It doesn't mean that it won't annoy me. Being prepared doesn't mean you're still not annoyed or you're still not shocked by when it happened. You know, it's like they must say prepare for the hurricane, say by water, you board up your house and everything, and when the hurricane come, you're like, wow, this is crazy. You're prepared, but it's still a shocker when you're in the moment, you know. You look fat, you're fatty, or you're very big. Somebody said, tell the baby out of the sun, mine didn't get black. Act when you have, oh, your belly big, so wow, your belly still big. Hold the baby head, suck in the belly. Oh my god. I'm talking to the camera, commenting on the like, you don't look like you have baby. Somebody said, comment on the picture. Remember, these are after you have your child, you know. Some people say, oh, you don't look like you have baby yet. Still look pregnant. When are you going to use the baby weight? When your belly not gone down yet, you haven't taken off the baby weight. Your belly still look big. Your belly look big. Make sure to do A, B, C, and X, Y, Z. Oh, yeah. So the person said, make sure to do this or that. And the person like, no, it makes... My belly going down? Oh, my line, yeah.
Yeah, that's in the popping.
No, it's going down. Because remember, Jelly come out of my belly already. But hold on, I'm talking to them. Hold on a little bit, okay? Alright then. Right, so somebody say make sure to do this or that or whatever. She has said no because every child is different. And that's so true. Every child is different. Every pregnancy is different. Jalil, make me know that. I did not believe that every pregnancy is different. Because once you're pregnant one time, you're used to what's coming. You are not. You are never used to being pregnant. Ever. Some women lose their lives giving birth. That's something that we should all think about. They lose their life bringing life. It is beautiful, but it's also extremely dangerous under certain circumstances. Somebody said I'm asking her first mom, how's everything? Well, I've only been getting up 4 hours. I've only been getting 4 hours of sleep in a day, so that's exciting. Oh, come on, don't see the you tear it.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody said, how come I don't see the baby yet? Your belly biggie. How far along are you? When are you going to start to work out? You look tired. When having the next one, you need to lose the baby fat. Are you pregnant? Are you still pregnant when the baby due? Oh my gosh, I'm done. Oh, Jesus, Jonathan. Like, I am done. Like all of these. Everything is weight. I want them to say about some more formula. So now, but give baby no formula, no uncle breast milk. Well, I've always, and I think that's a part of like how I've been grown to, because I don't want my children to do formula. I'm like, only breast milk. So I think that's been engraved in my head. I don't know why only breast milk, because Jalil got formula while I couldn't feed him for 2 days. But in my head I'm like, strictly breast milk. Only breast milk. Please and thank you. So yeah. What else? Yeah, this is all it's in my phone charging. That's all it's saying. That is all it's saying. So I'm not going to sit here and read the same thing over and over again, but that's all it's saying. Point being, when someone has had a baby, be as considerate as you possibly can. Be as understanding as you possibly can. And if you literally have nothing good to say, Liza, keep by your mouth. This is it for this video, you guys. I'm so happy. I filmed 3 videos today, all of them with my mom queen. Person, I'm a slave. Right, so happy. So now I'm going to go on the road, get my wig supply, and I'll be making my wigs, and I'm going to be recording it for you guys. I haven't done that in forever, so that's going to be exciting. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah, Long Queen, thank you so much for this beautiful wig. Hella light, hella beautiful, and I'm just feeling myself, yeah, feeling my arts, man. I am. Feels so good. It feels so good. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.